Hello students, welcome to our math class of grade 5. As we all know that it's difficult for us to get out of our houses as there is a high risk of getting affected by the deadly virus. So it's been months that we all are being locked down in our own houses and sitting whole day in our house is getting super bored. And as we all are super bored, so is a friend named Jack. So one day, while sitting in his room, Jack starts thinking about his life. While he was thinking about his life, he observes that there is a particular shape in each and every thing or object that is present in his room. Like he observes that the wall, window, bookstand, noteboard, cupboard, speaker kept on the top of the bookstand has the same shape. The position in which his pencil stand is placed on his book, the wall clock's timings, which shows 1:20 p.m., has the same shape. As well, the structure of his table fan, the structure of his cup and thermos, the position in which his laptop is opened, the structure of an open scissor, the structure of his hanger, and the way he has cut his pizza to eat all have the similar shape. And the table on which he notes his work also has a similar shape. And also the fan, which rotates in a circular manner, still has the same shape other than circle when it is switched off. So he wonders what the shape would be. Students, the shape which Jack could observe in each and every part of his room is called an angle. And today we will learn how these angles are measured and how to draw an angle of any given measure. Students, let's say this is an angle, or just imagine this as a laptop that is kept open in front of you. So, as we have names, similarly, we can also name this angle or laptop, say angle ABC, or you can give any name of your choice, say angle BAD. That means to name an angle, we always need to name all the endpoints and the center point. These are the endpoints and this is the center point. Now the center point of an angle is also called as the vertex of an angle, which joins or connects two lines, say segment AB and segment BC in this case, or say which connects the laptop together as one and not as two separate parts. And the line which connects or joins the center point or the vertex are called the arms of an angle. So in this case, AB and BC are the arms. Let's see more examples based on this. Now if we have an angle and we have to name this angle. So the name of the angle will be WXY or angle YXW. And the vertex point of this angle would be point X. And the arms of this angle would be from the center point. So XW and XY. Now we'll see few more examples based on this. Here are three examples given. We'll see how to name an angle, the vertex and the arm of an angle. Now in the first example, we have angle which we can name as angle BOA, or we can either name it as AOB. And the center point or the vertex is point O, which connects the two lines. So it is vertex is O. And from the point O, we have two lines, or say two arms, which we can name as OA and OB. These are called the arms of an angle. Now in the next example, we have angle PQR, or we can say angle RQP. So the name of the angles are angle PQR or angle RQP. And the vertex point of this angle is point Q, which connects or which joins the two lines. So it is point Q. And the arms of the angles are QP or QR. In the next example, we can name the angle as NML or LMN. And the vertex or the center point of this angle is point M. And the arms which joins the center point or the vertex is MN or ML. Now, if we want to measure any given angle, then we use a specific instrument, and that instrument is called a protractor. So, this is a protractor. A protractor is semicircular in shape. Students, now whatever notations I'll be telling you all, please note it down or keep it in your mind, because these notations will help you all to measure an angle or to draw an angle. So please keep all the notations in your mind. So the first one is the center of the protractor. This is the center of protractor. Then you have the baseline. This is called the baseline of a protractor. The protractor is used for two main reasons. One is to draw an angle, and the second is to measure an angle. And this semicircular edge is divided into 180 equal parts, and each part is 1 degree, or we can write it as 1 and the degree sign. Then these are the divisions on a protractor, that is degrees. And the divisions on a protractor, that is degrees, can be marked in two ways. One is clockwise and the second way is anti-clockwise. So you can mark the divisions or degrees either in this clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. That is the upward part and the downward part. So there are two ways to mark the divisions on a protractor. Now we will see how to measure an angle, and then later we will see how to draw an angle.